So as you can see, our today's topic is going to be on simple Indician equation, that is solution of Indician equation. So we have been solving Indician expression. The difference between expression and equation is that the equation has equal sign in it. So all this that we have done, there are no equal sign in the question, but this is the first one. So therefore we are teaching the simple ones to solve. So the example says solve the following. Solve this one and this one. The first one is x raised power minus 1 is equals to x all over 16, and the second one is 25x square all raised power minus 1 over 2 is equals to 2. Therefore we are asked to solve. When we are asked to solve something, is we are asked to find the value of the unknown given. I don't know whether you have gotten it. So the unknown given here are x. So the unknown given to us here is x. Therefore we are going to find it. So solution. Let's start with the first one. The first one says x raised power minus 1 is equals to x all over 16. So from here you can say that this as you can see, this x raised power minus 1 is the same thing as 1 all over x based on the law of indices we will learn. And then this one is the same thing as x all over 16 here. Cool. What's our reason? Our reason is because cool, a raised power inverse is the same thing as 1 all over a. This is the law of indices we have studied before. So from here we cross multiply. That is to say, crossing multiply. That is this one to be multiplied by this one, and this one to be multiplied by this one. That is to say, x times x, the same thing as this one, 1 times 16. X times x is the same thing as, this implies that x times x is the same thing as x squared, or x times x based on the law of logarithm indices. This one has 1, this one has 1, therefore we're going to add the powers. Therefore when we add 1 plus 1 we got 2, and then here 1 times 16 is the same thing as 16. So from here we can take the square root of both sides. Cool. We say take square roots of both sides. Cool. Why we are taking the square root of both sides is because we want to eliminate these two, because we are asked to find x only. Therefore we are going to say this one is x squared is the same thing as 16, also square root. So this one will cancel this one, and then we know square root of 16 is the same thing as plus or minus 4. Therefore it implies our final answer x is equals to plus or minus 4. So this is our final answer for the first solution. So as for the second one, we have 25x squared all raised power minus 1 all over 2 is equals to 2. So from here, this implies that this 25 we can make it to be 5 squared, because 5 times 5 is same as 25. And also here we have x squared, and then all raised power minus 1 all over 2 is equals to 2. So from here, this one based on the law of indices, therefore this one can have we can make this one to be here. That is to say 5x raised power 2, that is this 2 out, then times here minus 1 all over 2. So based on the law of indices, which is the same thing as 2, what's our reason? Our reason is this, okay? That if you have a raised power 2 times b raised power 2, this is the same thing as ab raised power 2. This is the law, one of the law we've studied before. So therefore from here, these two will cancel these two and leave us with only minus 1. So this is the same thing as 5x raised power minus 1 is the same thing as 2. And then this 5x raised power minus 1 we can change it to here to be 1 all over 5x, which is equivalent to 2. What's our reason? if you have a raised power minus 1, this is the same thing as 1 all over a. This is one of the law of indices we applied here. Therefore, from here, you can also do crossing multiply to say that 1 is equals to 5x times 2. That is similar reason here for crossing multiply. That is the one we did here. So from here, when we multiply 5x times 2, here we have implies that 1 is equals to 10x. So from here, to get the value of x, we have to divide both sides by 10. So therefore, we have 1 all over 10 here, the same thing as 10x all over 10. As you can see, this 10 will cancel this 10. Therefore, this implies that our x is the same thing as 1 all over 10. So this is our final answer. So from here, exercise, that is the one we are going to solve on our own, which is this. That is y raised power 3 all over 2 is equals to 27. And the second one, 2 raised power x plus 2 is equals to 4 root 2. We all know that this root 2 is the same thing as power of half, that is power of 1 over 2. Therefore, we can change it to continue our solution. So now when you solve it, you can post the solution on comment, and if you experience any difficulties while solving it, then you can also comment there with your problems. I will attempt to you.
Cheese production.